Did you know that not all types of omega-3s offer the same advantages? Today, we're exploring the differences between three types of omega-3 fatty acids: EPA, DHA, and ALA. We'll break down what each type of omega-3 is, where to find them, and how they affect your body. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make informed decisions about your diet and supplements. Welcome to our channel. Let's start with EPA and DHA, the two most well-known omega-3s. These fatty acids are primarily found in fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, herring, and sardines, as well as in seafood like mussels and crab. They're known for their incredible anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease, improve brain function, and even alleviate symptoms of depression. EPA and DHA have also been shown to support joint health, reducing inflammation and promoting healing. EPA, in particular, has been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory effects, making it an effective treatment for conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. EPA is highly effective at lowering high triglyceride levels, which is crucial for reducing the risk of heart disease, while also helps lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of blood clots by making blood vessels more flexible and stopping blood cells from sticking together too much. EPA has shown promise in managing autoimmune conditions due to its anti-inflammatory effects. DHA, on the other hand, is crucial for brain function and development, particularly in fetal development during pregnancy. It's also been shown to improve cognitive function, memory, and focus. Another unique DHA role is maintaining retinal health and is necessary for proper vision. It supports the structure of photoreceptor cells in the retina, which are essential for converting light into visual signals. EPA and DHA work synergistically, so it's essential to get a balance of both in your diet. ALA, on the other hand, is primarily found in plant-based sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. While it's still an essential fatty acid, ALA has a different role in the body. It's converted into EPA and DHA in small amounts, but its primary function is to support heart health by reducing inflammation and improving blood lipid profiles. Maintaining healthy skin is greatly supported by ALA, which plays a crucial role in retaining moisture and reinforcing the skin barrier. In addition to skin health, studies have shown that ALA can support bone health and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. The key insight here is that while all omega-3s are beneficial, EPA and DHA are particularly crucial for reducing stress, reducing inflammation, support brain health, and support heart health. By reducing lower triglyceride levels, EPA and DHA are your best bet. But if you're looking to support reducing cholesterol health, skin hydration, and bone health, ALA is an excellent choice. In summary, knowing the distinctions between EPA, DHA, and ALA can empower you to choose the right sources of omega-3s for your health needs. If you found this video helpful, check out my other videos on nutrition and health, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below.